Imagine a planet, any planet, and now imagine it drifting alone in the darkness of space, with no sun, no orbit, and no light. That's a rogue planet, and there might be billions of them. What is a rogue planet? Rogue planets are planet-sized objects that don't orbit a star. They're also called orphan planets or nomad planets. Instead of making one complete revolution around a star every year, like Earth does around the Sun, rogue planets wander through space once they've been ejected from their home star systems. They're cold, dark, and alone, never to return. How do they form? Scientists think there are two ways rogue planets can form. The first way is the more traditional method. It's how planets like Earth form, orbiting a star and gathering the stuff of life. But instead of staying put, these planets get flung out of their star system, perhaps after a near miss with a massive object like our Jupiter. The second way is more unusual. Scientists think some rogue planets form like stars, collapsing directly from a giant gas cloud. But unlike stars, they don't gather enough mass, so they never ignite. What makes them special? Because rogue planets form much like regular planets, they can have moons, atmospheres, and maybe even underground oceans. And if they formed recently, they might still have geothermal heat, meaning life could exist beneath their frozen surfaces. Of course, we haven't found any life on rogue planets, but scientists think there could be a lot more out there. Okay, since rogue planets are nearly invisible, they're very hard to spot. They don't emit any light, so we can only detect them using powerful infrared telescopes. We can also detect them indirectly by seeing how they bend light via gravitational microlensing. How many are out there? Given how difficult they are to spot, you'd think we would have found very few rogue planets. But in 2021, astronomers found at least 70 rogue planets in just one region of space. If this is just a small sampling of what's out there, then the Milky Way could be home to trillions of them. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, space might be full of worlds we'll never see. Worlds without a home, drifting alone through the cosmic dark. Now you know what rogue planets are. Do you think we'll ever find life on one of them? Let me know your thoughts, and thanks for watching. See you next time.